Hi, we're Carmen.
And Terry. We're taking a break from the LA hustle and grind.
And from our work in the film industry.
To explore the world.
And for an opportunity to expand our hearts and spirits, nomadically.
Please join us on our journey.
We're so excited to share with you.
Gotcha.
I didn't sleep very well.
Yeah, it was a long night. Neither did I. So, alright, well, hey guys.
Hey guys. It's a little past 8 a.m.
Yes.
We've been up since 7, but we didn't go to sleep till pretty late, and I didn't have a really good rest. Neither one of us did.
Yeah.
But we've been up packing the apartment up for the final walkthrough from our landlord, and yeah.
We passed.
We passed.
So,
we passed.
We got our deposit back. We're fine. So yeah, today is moving day, and we are leaving our first apartment here in Playa.
Yeah, the first apartment we've gotten together since we've been married.
Yes, yeah. So it's been a great stay, man. This apartment's been pretty good to us. It's been real good to us, actually.
Yeah, especially the woman who manages it, Sylvia. She's been like a little angel.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
She's been real good. She's helped this transition. It couldn't have been a better transition without her, without knowing her.
It's true.
So, yeah. Yeah, this little place took care of us and made us feel safe and home. We are forever grateful. Whenever we're back here, whenever we walk down the street, we'll probably be like, yeah, we used to live there.
We lived there.
Yeah. So it'll be a place that we always have keep close to in our hearts, for sure.
And have really fond memories of.
Yeah.
And as Sylvia left, she said, this is not the end, it's only the beginning.
Yeah.
She said, please text me when you're back,
yeah.
Which will be in about 3.5 weeks.
3.5 weeks. So, yeah, we'll definitely have dinner with her and continue our friendship with her, because she's very sweet.
Very sweet.
So, yeah, that's it for this apartment.
Yeah. We've moved together. Now, this will be the third time.
3 times in 15 months. It's a lot.
It's a lot. And it's gone really well.
Yeah, it gets better each time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
we're a good little team.
Yeah, we are. So yeah, that's it, I think. We'll show you where we go next. We have a whole week planned before we go back to the States, and it's going to be really fun.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, so we're gonna
fill our cups all the way up.
Yeah.
All the way up.
And hope it lasts for 3 weeks.
Exactly. When we go back home.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So.
Yeah. Do we call it home now? Because when I was out there, I kept saying, I'm ready to go home.
Yeah.
Here. Well, you're my home.
Just bi-coastal. We have homes in the West Coast and now in the Caribbean.
Did you catch that, buddy?
Yeah, I'm your home.
You are my home.
I'm your home. Yeah. I'm our home. Yes. So yeah. So we'll do some filming next week and have some pretty cool videos, we think. And then we'll probably do some filming when we can back in LA. I don't know how. Well, we should, right?
Yeah, why not?
It won't be any adventures. It'll just be us living our lives, which, if you want to watch it, watch it.
We ran into some viewers on the street not too long ago, several weeks back, and they said, yeah, we watch your channel, but we didn't watch the wedding.
right.
Just a disclaimer.
Yeah.
We like all your other stuff, but
the
wedding was a little much.
So,
we didn't watch
the LA stuff, we understand. It's fine. That's for the diehards,
We're really okay. And they're our new friends from Canada.
Yeah, they're really cool.
We might just visit them in Canada.
Yeah, for sure. They were really sweet.
Yes,
so,
yes.
Yeah, shout out to you guys.
Yes.
All right, so I think that's it.
That's it.
All right, so that's it for our first little chapter in Playa.
Yay!
chapter 2 will be coming real soon.
I tried.
Yeah.
I tried.
No, I'm just saying, we're just two peas in the pot. That's all.
Aww.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. That's all.
That's all, folks.